Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Yeah, they just press it.
There he is, there he is, there he is. Where? Go, right. He's running after him.
Here's a piece of people. Outright.
Ready? Go.
Let me see your fucking hands right now! Let me see your hands! Hands! You gotta go!
Get up here!
Fired. Where are y'all at?
Ready? Go.
Let me see your fucking hands right now! Let me see your hands! Hands!
At this time, deputies observed Culbertson, while holding a cell phone in his left hand, retrieve a firearm with his right hand. When he does so, deputies fire on the suspect, striking him multiple times.
Cease fire! Cease fire!
1031 Bravo. Shots fired.
Ready? Go.
Let me see your fucking hands right now! Let me see your hands! Let me see your fucking hands right now! Let me see your hands! Hands! I got him!
He's down.
Get up here!